straightforward, I am going to show you how to get your downloaded music from Audiomack and Boom Player, any of these music downloaders. You are going to get them and play them offline. You don't want to miss those lovely songs of yours offline. So let's get that going, friend. Okay, so this is my Audiomack. As you can see, Audiomack here. Yep, selected. Okay, so I'm going to do a quick search, and before that, please, this is DJ Acoustic Mixes. I've been doing a lot of mixtapes. You might like to follow me on Audiomack. They are lovely songs. Okay, so let's quickly get going and search Simi. Here is it. Okay, and get them downloaded. I've gotten mine downloaded. To be honest, that's the album. So let's see how we are going to get them going in our offline library. Okay, so let's go. First of all, I would like you to download this app, File Manager Plus. In fact, I've been using this particular app for quite a long time. It can also help you delete or free up your space. So get File Manager Plus downloaded. I guess you've gotten it downloaded. Let's go. So I will have to go to my directory. That is the main storage. Then you have to pick what you call the Android here. Then go to data here. Then go to Audiomack. You will search come Audiomack, as you can see it here. Okay, all right. So let's go. Then go to files. Then Audiomack. So you see, I downloaded Simi's album. To be honest, that's 13 items. Now 13 items, you can see it here. Look at it is in a number form. When you open, this is the artwork. As you can see, the artwork over here. And I guess you saw it on Audiomack also. So here is it. Here are the songs. So yours is to highlight all of them. Highlight them. Then tap on rename. Tap on that. Then now the name will come for you to type. So Simi, to be honest, album. Okay, album. So 1, 2, 3. You see that automatically it names the songs 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 12. So just after the name, you will see a dot. Those are the extension. That's also something to talk about later. Extensions. So yours, what you will put there is what? MP3. Just put MP3 over there. Then select OK. Then again select OK. See what has happened. Now you will see that it has now changed into a music or playable music offline. So let's play. Yeah. Remember, this is DJ Acoustic. At the same time, your #1 IT support professional. So you might want to subscribe to Acoustic IT World. You wouldn't want to miss any of the videos that I'll be releasing. But actually, you will need to also move it from that place, because as we speak, Audiomack cannot play it as a downloaded file. You will need to download it again. So we don't want to even use Audiomack anymore if we choose to. Let's go there and move it into our music folder or any other music folder that we might have. So here is it. Okay, so you can see. Then you highlight all of them. Then you move. Go back. Then put it in your downloaded folder. Yes, it has been moved. So as you can see, yeah. Yes. So that is it. It has been downloaded. Thank you for tuning in to Acoustic IT World. We love you